Okay. Just heard a bang while outside. It's just getting silly now, snakes. And came through the skylight. There's a culprit there. Oh, look at its mouth. Did you see that? Get out, Liz. Yeah. I don't think he's very happy that. Shut up, Lucy. I don't think he's very happy this time. Can you hear him? Shut up, Liz. Alright. Just don't go in the cupboards. Use the pull bugger. I'll go the other way. Oh, where is he? No, don't go in the cupboards. Oh, good snake. Hurt me. Whoa. You can't tell by the size of it. That would have to be, hello, easily 3 meters more. Alright. Get out, Lucy. Get out. Where's the other one? Oh, for fuck's sake, I've been overrun with snakes. Oh, Lucy. Scared the shit out of me, you stupid animal. Get out! Where's the other one? I know you're here somewhere. Oh no, it's gone up here. Where the fuck are you gone? Where did it go? Oh. Where did... You gotta push everything off my bloody benches, snake. Don't you break my sugar bowl. Oh. Who's a daisy? We can see there. the golden syrup jar, how fat it is compared to him. He's very agitated. Push everything off. Getting himself in a twist. You're going to fall off again and pick yourself off even more. Stupid snake. God. Bloody idiot thing. So while you're injuring yourself, the other one is running free in the house somewhere. Which isn't good when they're both a bit excitable. Probably under the lounge. Should come out. I can't see it anyway. Have no idea where it's gone. Great! Alright, I'm gonna have to try and find a way of getting you out. Oh, okay. I don't know where she's gone though. There it goes. We opened up the window so he could get out.
No.
Don't go
so
back
it can
inside.
Go inside.
Go out. Out, out, out. He's gonna get... She's roughly the same size. I'm going to push the oil over again. Bloody hell. Quick, 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 quick. Save the oil. Go out.
Bet you frightened the crapper out of him, Michael.
Well, I was just out there on the other side, seeing where it had gone, and then bang, I hear this bloody carry on.
Aren't you beautiful?
Doesn't seem too perturbed by us, does it, really?
Aren't you gorgeous? Show me your fangs.
The only thing is, it pushes everything else. So it pushed all, see? Pushed all this off. Do you want to grab that stuff for me? Alright, goodbye folks. We need to go and do some emergency saving.